Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to my course CS463 Software Project Management offered to the MCS final year students. This is lecture 1. In this lecture, I will broadly give you an overview of this course and other modalities of the course followed during the semester. This lecture is freely available online on Cust Media server. The link is given here. Additionally, please join the online study group for your feedback and question answer session. In today's lecture, I will briefly talk about what this course is all about, its main objectives and learning outcome, the list of main topics approved by the Board of Study, and some additional topics recommended by the industry. The text and recommended books followed in this course during the semester, and the learning sources and materials, and how you can actually download these material from the relevant website. The grading policy approved by the Academic Council, and finally, I would recommend you to join this online study group to have your feedback and question answer session. Well, this course will give you an overview of the project and project management in general, and software project management in particular. It will cover the concepts, theories, model, techniques, and software tools to successfully conduct a software project. The composition of this course is somewhat conceptual and practical and field-oriented. By taking this course, I expect you would be able to analyze the organizational needs and deploy a suitable software development model. You would be able to plan and manage a project at each stage and phase of software development lifecycle. Additionally, you will gain some skills to monitor and control a project. Finally, you would be able to successfully deliver a project within the due course of time, considering organizational strategic goals. Well, here is a list of main topics approved by our departmental board of study. Firstly, we'll try to define and understand the term project, project management, and software project management in particular. Next, we'll try to learn the conventional software management approaches, mainly based on waterfall model, as well as we'll also try to learn the modern software management approaches, mainly based on agile model. Next, we'll try to learn the software economics and estimation methods to estimate the size, time, and cost involved in any project, and basically how to optimize these parameters. Next, we'll see how many phases are there involved in any project and their key phases and activities. We'll also try to learn how to organize any project. Further, we'll see how to manage the human resource involved in any project. Well, there are some advanced topics normally I teach to MS students, but if time allows, I would be happy to cover these topics to your class as well. This may include project risk assessment approaches, project quality assurance approaches. Additionally, we'll cover some recent case studies, and we will also go to review some recent research studies in software project management. Additionally, we have some topics recommended by the ICT industry, and the main purpose of covering these topics is actually to train you to nicely work in the ICT industry after graduation. This mainly include project planner, project meeting report, project task sheet, project issue sheet, project risk sheet, project budget sheet, project financial sheet, project formal technical review, RFP, and contract management. Okay, so here is a list of text and recommended books that I'm following in this course during the semester, and I would strongly recommend you to kindly visit the publisher homepage and download these books in PDF form. If you have any problem, then do email me and I will try to solve the problem for you. So mainly you must have these two books, Software Project Management by Walker and Software Project Management by Teresa. Additionally, you can have this book, Information Technology Project Management by Jeff. And if you want to well understand the project management in general, then kindly download these two books, Project Management by William and Project Management by Bars. Very important point to note down: the learning sources and material of this course. As you might be aware that during COVID-19 pandemic, the HEC have directed all universities and professors to prepare the lectures of all the courses and offer them online through their respective LMS systems, that is learning management system of the university, in order to save the precious time of the students. So in order to comply the HEC directives, we are doing the same job here. So I would be sharing online video lectures on the custom media service. I will share the assignments on KCMS. For articles and term projects, I would recommend you to kindly join the online study group, because we need some interactive sections and there would be many question answer sessions. And for tools and softwares, I would share the software vendors website. Okay, so here is the grading policy I'm following in this course, considering the guidelines of Academic Council. So I have given 5% to assignments, 5% to quizzes, 20% to term project, 20% to midterm, and 50% to final exam. For assignments and term projects, we can nicely deal on online study group. However, for quizzes and exams, maybe we need some physical interaction and presence at campus. But during the COVID pandemic, we have been asked by the HEC not to visit the campus physically. So as we receive new directives and guidelines by the HEC, I will update this grading policy and will share with you accordingly. Okay, so finally, to further assist you in this course, I have created this online study group on the Facebook. Kindly do join it as soon as possible, and you can have your feedback, and we can have a question answer session related to each lecture, assignment, or term project nicely. Thank you so much and have a nice day.